Task 2. You are now interviewing a woman who says that she has seen Bigfoot. Listen to the conversation and mark the locations where she saw Bigfoot on the map below with an X. You should also complete the note sheet at the bottom of the page. You now have 30 seconds to study the task. At the end of the task, you will have 1 minute to tidy up your answers.
So, Mrs. Smith, how many times have you seen Bigfoot?
I've seen it 3 times.
3 times?
Yes, the first time I saw it was at the foot of the hills, right by the river.
Which river?
The Spring River. Let me show you a map.
Okay. Where exactly did you see it?
About 2 miles from the river. There are some big boulders alongside the river, and I saw it next to the biggest boulder.
What was it doing there?
I don't know. It might have been hunting for fish.
Hunting for fish?
I don't know for sure, but I think so.
So, where did you see Bigfoot the second time?
I saw Bigfoot right by the walking trail near Mount Helena. If you walk along the trail, you will see a stone hut at the foot of the mountain. I saw Bigfoot just behind the stone hut.
Were you in the stone hut at the time?
No, I was inside my car. I saw it through my binoculars.
I see. So, when was the last time you saw Bigfoot?
Well, I saw it right by the junction of Highway 5 and Highway 18, very early in the morning.
Really? What was it doing there at the junction of Highway 5 and Highway 18?
It was searching for food.
Searching for food on the highway? Were you close to Bigfoot?
Yes, I was. I was only 10 meters away from it. I could see it very clearly.
What does it look like?
It looks like a very tall, hairy man.
A very tall, hairy man. How tall is it?
I don't know. I'm 5 feet tall, and it's twice as tall as I am, so it must be at least 10 feet tall.
A 10-foot hairy man.
Its body is covered with long brown fur.
Long brown fur?
Yeah, and it has a very big head. That's all I can remember.
Did it see you?
Oh, yes. It stared at me for a few minutes.
Wasn't it afraid of you?
No, not at all. I was afraid of it.
Wait a minute. How does it walk? Does it walk like a human?
Yes, it walks just like you and me, on 2 feet.
Did it make any noise?
No, it didn't. But there were 2 quite unusual things about it.
Unusual?
When I saw it on the highway, it was carrying an axe.
Sorry, a what? An axe? A-X-E, axe.
Seems like it knows how to use human tools.
What is the second unusual thing?
Its feet were not very big.
That's interesting. Thank you very much for your information.
That is the end of Task 2. You now have 1 minute to tidy up your answers.